Okay, it's recording. What I say is what is recording, right?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh yeah, it's moving. You're fucking lucky. I don't see no nails sparkling.
No,
Remember the other deck?
Stay there like that. I want to clear it out and then show
I am. I'm not moving.
how it looks.
I hate that shit.
Okay, here we go. Let me see. So now we have airflow. There's daylight between the boards, whereas all these boards, they're painted shut and swollen shut and actually installed too tight. It's installed too tight from the start. Very common. You see it all the time. Installed too tight. You have to put a nail, 8 penny or 10 penny nail in between when you install. That's how it works.